Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a viral Instagram reel like this.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
If you are new to my channel, consider liking the video, sharing it to your friends and subscribing it. Let's begin. Open KineMaster and click New Project, then click 9:16 ratio. Then click Background and select Black Background and press Done. Then extend the black background up to 20 seconds and come back to the starting point. Then go to Layers and click Media and select the clip which you want to tilt. I will leave this clip link in description. After the clip is imported, zoom the selected clip to the maximum, where it cannot be zoomed further, and just follow the steps I am showing in the video. Then frame a point in the clip where the video should starts to move from. And press Done after you framed a point in the clip. Then import sound, I will leave this link too in the description. Now trim the extra parts of the sound and the main layer to the length of the video layer to maintain proper length and sync, otherwise the output will be not perfect. After trimming to the proper length, come back to Start and play the video to check the point where the clip should start tilting towards the left slowly. Then mark the point by clicking on the timestamp, that's the point your video should tilt. After creating the timestamp by clicking on it, click and select the video clip. Then click Animation Key tool and press plus icon, then move the video clip to the right and frame at a point where it should be moved to. Move it a little bit. If you move it more, then the movement of the video will be fast. After framing the clip, move to the end and click plus icon again. Now we need to rotate the clip, so move the clip to the left. And there will be an arrow, use that arrow to rotate the clip 180 degrees. The clip is zoomed, so rotate the clip slowly until it totally rotates 180 degrees. After rotating the clip, frame it to a point where the video should end rotating. Keep in mind that the point you are fixing now should be parallel to the point which you fixed before the video starts tilting. After fixing the point, done the settings, and come back to Start and play the video. To see how the video is framed, and importantly if they are in sync. If they are not in sync, rearrange the clip until they are in sync. Yes, it is in sync. The complicated part is done, and now we need to add text. Now come back to Start and click Layer, then click on Text. And type tilt your phone to left and press OK. After adding text, extend it up to the mark you pointed before the video tilting. And trim it if there is extra part remaining. Change the font of the text by clicking Font and click Latin and select Lead Gothic. Select the color black and fix the text to the top and zoom it a bit. And come back to Start, press the text and press the three dots at the top left corner. And duplicate the text and bring it down, zoom it a bit. And change the text to In. And click the above text, press an animation, and select Fade option in the animation, and also select Fade in the out animation. Now click below text and select Fade option in out animation. Now select the below text and trim them into 4 equal parts through the trim option. Now change the remaining 3 equal parts into numbers 3, 2, 1. And now select the text in and click an animation and select Fade option. That's it with the tutorial. Export the video now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video.